Hi guys! We all know how crucial crystal clear footage is when it comes to security. And whether you're a seasoned civilian enthusiast or just getting started with IP security cameras, this video is your ultimate guide to understand resolution, lens selection, and pixel density. And whether you're working on a network infrastructure or any other tech project, we've got you covered. You can visit our link down to the description box below and submit your questions to claim a free consultation. IP cameras for a civilian requires understanding the role of resolution in capturing high-quality images or videos. IP cameras come in various resolution options, each offering different levels of images, clarity, and detail. We have HD, that is 720p, Full HD 1080p, Ultra HD, that is 4K or even higher, and higher resolution have more pixels, resulting in finer details, sharper edges, and better image quality. Choosing the optimal resolution based on your civilian needs. Lens selection is vital because it directly affects the level of detail captured by the camera. The lens determines the field of view, which is the area that's visible through the camera. A wide field of view can capture broader view, while a narrow field of view focuses on specific details within a smaller area. And there are different types of lenses. Now, fixed lenses have a fixed focal length, meaning the camera's field of view cannot be adjusted, and they're suitable for a scenario where specific area needs constant monitoring without the need for adjustment. Next, we have the varifocal length. The varifocal lenses can offer adjustable focal length, allowing users to manually adjust the field of view and provide ability to zoom in or out, capture specific detail, and also change the coverage area without physically moving the camera. Last but not least, we have the zoom lenses. Now they offer motorized zoom or optical zoom. Motorized zoom lens can adjust the focal length digitally or mechanically, while the optical zoom uses physical lenses to adjust for precise magnification. So zoom lenses are ideal for scenario where a dynamic civilian or monitoring a distant object. Pixel densities refers to the number of pixels within a given area of an image or display. It directly related to the resolution of the camera or display. Resolution is the total number of pixels both horizontally and vertically in an image. Higher resolution camera have more pixels, resulting in higher pixel density. And higher pixel density means that more pixels are packed into a smaller area, resulting in finer details and improved image sharpness. Conversely, lower pixel density can lead to decreased image quality and the loss of detail. Achieving optimal pixel densities depends on the specific civilian requirement and the intended use of your footage. And here are some practices that you can follow. First, you should determine the required details and consider the distance to the subject. Then you should balance the resolution and storage and choose the suitable lenses. Finally, test and calibrate, and by following those practices, leading to clear and more detailed images and enhance overall civilian effectiveness. So when selecting an IP cameras, the lighting condition also played a significant role in determining the camera's effectiveness. Now, camera with excellent sensitivity and day and night vision capabilities can adapt to varying light levels. And additionally, for outdoor civilian, waterproof and vandal-resistant features are essential. IP cameras equipped with durable enclosure and protective casing can withstand harsh weather, and ensuring reliable performance and longevity even in challenging outdoor civilians. So now we're in front of the demonstration board, and behind me is a small civilian camera system. So let's see what we need in a camera system. First, we'll need a monitor to display the video footage, and it's already connected to an NVR. Network video recorder is to record the video footage and manage our cameras. And it is connected to a router to provide data and a WebSmart PoE switch. Now this switch can provide PoE technology, which allows both power and data to be transmitted over a single Ethernet cable. So as you can see, there's no separate power source for the camera. And up here we have our 8MP PoE turrets camera. Now this camera has 4mm fixed lens, making it suitable for monitoring a large area. And also equipped with two lighting systems, the infrared LED and the white light. So you can enjoy exceptional image quality and color reduction with every recording. And down below we have our 8MP bullet IP camera with a varifocal lens. A varifocal lens allows you to manually adjust the focal length and focus on your point of interest, and also provide advanced features such as person detection and IR night vision. Offer round-the-clock surveillance over your property. The 8MP means the camera can capture images and record videos with a total of 8 million pixels, resulting in superior level of details and clarity. So now let's check out their features. So now I'm going to show you how to manually adjust the focal length using a computer. First, we'll need this little tool that comes with the camera, connected to the camera and your computer. And then I'm going to use a screwdriver to open up here. Inside is where we can manually adjust the varifocal length. First, I'm going to zoom in, and then adjust the focus. And you can look at the image on your computer. So now I'm done with the adjustment, and close it up. And this is how we manually adjust the lens. So this is the 8MP PoE turrets camera. The 4mm lens can provide a wide field of view. And now I'm going to show you the lighting system. So first is the infrared. That's why I'm going to turn off the lights. And the infrared LED lighting system will turn on automatically. Now there's a black and white image with the infrareds on. And next, I'm going to show you the other lighting system. Go to IPC light set. Now I'm going to turn on the white light. Hit apply, OK, and it will change to the white light system. The white light system allows for a colorful image. So I just showed you how to manually adjust the varifocal lens of the bullet IP camera and the two lighting system of the turrets camera. And thank you very much for watching us. If you're interested in how to set up an IP security camera system, here are some videos you can watch. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, FASTCABLING.